Welcome to my Nature and Health channel. Today we will discuss a topic about a tea that will give you excellent contributions to your health. If it's the first time that you are on this channel and you like to take care of your health, I ask you to like the video, subscribe and press the bell so that you are one of the first to receive every new tip. In today's video, we will talk about a tea that has stood out a lot in some countries. It is a very special tea that is made with a seasoning and a very spectacular spice. This tea can be used to treat mainly diseases that cause pain. It is a tea that, in addition to relieving pain, can be very effective in solving gastrointestinal problems, reduces glucose and cholesterol, prevent damage to the liver and kidneys, and has many other benefits. Let's start talking about the first ingredient of tea, which is the bay leaf. The bay leaf is a spice that was discovered a long time ago, and since then it has become very popular in kitchens. Since ancient times, bay leaves have been used to treat stomach problems such as gastritis and reflux. Although bay leaves do not have a very high nutritional value, they contain an impressive variety and amounts of compounds that can offer benefits to our health. The second ingredient is clove, which is widely used in desserts and canned fruits. On the other hand, it can offer us a number of benefits, such as helping us deal with circulatory system problems. It can help eliminate bad breath. It is also very good for the relief of inflammation and muscle pain. It has an excellent effect antiseptic and bactericidal. Now we go to our recipe. You will need the following ingredients: 2 dried or fresh bay leaves, 2 cloves, 300 milliliters of water. Preparation. If you are going to use fresh leaves, do not forget to wash them before. Once you have them ready, place them in a pot along with the water and let them boil for about 5 minutes. After that time, turn off the heat, place the cloves and cover with a lid, leaving it until it is warm. When the tea is at the temperature you like, just take it. It is recommended to take it at least twice a day for the best results. Do not forget to use the bay leaves also as a condiment in meats, fish, beans and even sauces, because in addition to improving the taste of your recipes will leave you their properties in each dish. But remember not to ingest the sheet. You are an amazing person. Wow! You came to the very end of this video. Can you do us a favor and subscribe and activate the bell at the very least? It would be very appreciated from the bottom of our hearts. Also, if it's possible, like, share and comment. Thanks.